Tile and Grout Power can be used on almost any hard floor surface, including concrete, vinyl, tiles and natural stone. Whether it be in an industrial facility, external hard floor, a washroom or a sports venue. Today's demonstration takes us to a commercial kitchen with a non-slip vinyl floor surface.
When preparing the TNG power solution for your cleaning operation, remember it's safety first. Put on your gloves, put on your glasses, and then you're ready to go. For a floor like this, which is a relatively low traffic, large canteen kitchen area, we're going to be using the TNG power at a 1 in 100 solution into 10 litres, which we have already got in the mop buckets. Now that's an important point. We always make sure that we put the water in first. We never ever put the chemical in and then put the water in afterwards. We always put the water in first and then the chemical. The next most important thing is that we never just do the dry blood method. We always make sure that we measure it out in a measuring jug. So we have 100 mils and going into our 10 litres of water in the mop buckets. The first thing to do before proceeding with cleaning a floor like this is to scope the situation out, have a look at the floor you're cleaning, have a look at any of the adjoining substrates. So the floor we can see is a non-slip vinyl that is quite suitable for our TNG power solution.